Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. I love it when a client buys a bike and tells us exactly how he's going to use it, what he's going to use it for, and how he needs the system to stand up for the elements. And that's exactly what happened with Curly Wolf. He bought his bike brand new 2 years ago, and he brought it down to us. The bike had like no miles on it. Told us that he's an all-weather rider, said he wants something loud. He's definitely going to beat the hell out of it. He was going to spend whatever it took to get something that performed, lasted, was weatherproof, and he could really, really beat on it. So that's what we did for him. He just brought the bike back out for the spring, and he had a few issues, so he dropped it off. We took care of everything under warranty, and we also gave him a bunch of upgrades because there have been a few advances in technology in the past 2 years. So he sent me the video, took the bike out on a really, really long trip, and I did a little distance test, and he's super happy with the way the bike performs, super happy with the way the bike sounds, and he's happy with our warranty. But he told me exactly how he's going to be using the bike, and we built him something that worked perfectly for him. He put 32,000 miles on this bike in 2 years. That's a rider. So I was glad we were able to build it for him. I'm glad he's happy. Check out the video.
I had some dreams and said some things to you. Too much, I'm out of touch, it's true. Don't give a fuck, actually I do. If I said too much, I know you're mine to lose. Don't give a fuck, actually I do. I call my time, I call my closest, I call my love.